I hope you are doing great. So quickly today, I would like to give an answer to a question that was asked by one of our members on our Facebook platform. I've actually answered the person. She actually sent me a direct message and I've replied her. But I would love to share the conversation with you guys so that we all can learn from the question. So she said she's about to start the catfish farming business, but she adds that it will take a farmer at least 5 to 6 months before he or she could sell his or her fish to make profits. Then I said that's a big capital no, a big no. You know, until we farmers we start seeing the business, we start taking the business side of this of fish farming serious, we won't start making profits. You know, I told her fish are sellable throughout their stages. Fish are sellable at any stage.